So that
as
way,
an M1 Musterdatine.
What was the file format?
Musterdatine. It's some German word. I don't
Yeah.
know what it means. Okay, PowerPoint to record, not as a crutch. Okay, what do I do?
so
We're gonna wait. Today we're
we're
gonna
gonna make.
make a new program in M1 Plus.
The last time I ran this was the time that I broke so many needles. So we're gonna fingers crossed that that doesn't happen this time.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and a template, just like always. That's what that is.
Open the Auburn template.
Yeah.
Here's the Auburn template.
I guess you'll need this. All right, this is the one that we're gonna make. So the cast on is a pretty standard thing. Like you wouldn't really have to change this. Like,
So
you might
wait.
get-
This is the cast on.
Yeah, it's
right.
all of that.
All
so
of this.
up to this purple is cast on.
Okay, so that we're not gonna change.
I've had one issue with it before where when I made like a single jersey, these back like knits gave me a little bit of issue. And that's when I put in that transfer layer just to get everything on the front.
Okay.
But because we're using back here as well, I don't think that's going to be a problem.
Okay.
So yeah, now you just want to follow this pattern. So it's 4x4, so you have 4 on the front, then 4 on the back, then 4 on the front. So right now you've got all front.
I see. Okay, so I'm gonna select over here. I think a back knit. This,
Yep.
Does it say back knit or
It
what
says
does it say?
rear stitch.
and I'll go like this. Wait.
I would just
4
go
in a
ahead
row.
and- Yeah, do 4, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is pretty easy.
Yep.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I can copy paste this,
Yeah, you
right?
can copy and paste. So just select the repeating pattern.
How do I go to the selection?
You just hit escape to get rid of the
I see.
like whatever you've got grabbed, and then you just slide and select,
How does that read?
Okay, now drag it up.
and then just go all. You can just like drag all the way up to the top right.
I see.
What I would have done is just with the last copy and paste, just started in the bottom left corner, dragged all the way up to the top right, and it does all of it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay,
Just
let me
drag
try. Let me try it that way. Escape. Is that the first repeating pattern?
Yeah, that's it.
And then you start here.
Hold on, go back. So if you like look at where you see how it's, there you go. Yeah. Because like for some reason, like the way that it aligns when you copy it it's not right at your mouse,
And you go all the way over.
and then all the way up.
How big is this print though?
This thing is huge.
Yeah, it is big. But we can,
We're just making a tapestry.
and
Wait,
then let go.
so, okay, but so that last line is off, so we should delete that?
Yeah, you can delete that, yeah.
How do you do that?
So wait, let's delete, let's wait till we get loading.
There you go.
So let's delete this, column 449. Can I just right click and
Don't do that.
don't do that?
Right click in the selected area. Yeah, like in there, yeah.
Cut? Just
Delete
cut?
column.
You
just
do
had it.
selection,
Selection,
Right there, delete column.
delete column, yeah.
okay.
Looks
Looks good.
How is that the same as this though?
What do you mean? This is just back 4, front 4.
Imagine they're showing you like the middle of the pattern. So it's cut off on the right side and the left side by a little bit, but it's a 4x4 repeating pattern.
Yeah.
So even though it starts with 2 and ends with 3, it's just like a snippet from the middle.
Do you see? Or you don't see?
Yeah, no, I thought each level was different, but it's the same.
Yeah.
This is essentially like one line of that code.
Okay.
Okay, now what do we want to do? We want to save it.
Yep.
Oh, how do you do this? Yeah,
Wait, we have to do some like checks, right?
So go ahead and just file save as now.
File,
Yeah.
save as,
That
rib.
way you
Rib?
can just name it 4x4 rib, yeah. Auburn 4x4 rib, that's what I usually do.
Let's keep your file format. 4x4.
Underscore rib.
And shouldn't he put like underscore Beckman too?
Yeah, I mean you can put
So
your
we know
name
who
or
made
like
the program
yeah,
for
like
it?
JFB or whatever.
I see.
Oh, we
Okay.
can make a library with this.
Yeah, we do have a library. A knit library.
Like for an Excel type thing?
I think so. Okay, so then I just save
Yeah. So that
as
way.
a M1 Musterdatine.
What was the file format?
Musterdatine. It's some German word. I don't
Yeah.
know what it means.
Okay, so now you have to process the file.
Which means I press what?
The blue up arrow over here.
This?
Yep. Or expand.
What about the spinning wheel?
Expanding entire pattern.
Yep. And then the next one is processing it, and then you'll central check it just to.
Okay,
like,
wait. So one at a time. So we did the expanding loaded.
So
We
now
did
the blue gear.
blue gear.
It's gonna
This
tell
is
you,
the
like-
technical assistant. It's like checking it.
Yeah.
Is that the central check?
No. So this is fine. Yeah. Fabric. Like it's gonna give you all this stuff.
Okay, continue.
What is
Yeah.
line 18 though? Why is it a gray bar?
What this?
Yeah.
That's something's going and being cut. So what that probably is the separation nylon is just like that's just the row that's saying okay, the carriage is now taking the yarn carrier that has the separation nylon and is cutting and clamping it because
No.
it's not being used anymore. Yeah, continue.
Continue.
Okay.
Is that the central check?
No. So
Wait, it's loading.
yeah, that's fine. This button is central check.
This?
Yep.
Run central check.
So this is just kind of like, it's not really going to tell you if it's going to mess up, but it's going to tell you if there's an error in your
In the
code,
code.
that would cause it to mess up.
This is translating to the machine actions, I think.
How
Yeah.
do you control size of the print though?
So it says simulation okay.
Add columns or subtract columns.
So you can just keep going?
I hit what?
Oh, so it says simulation okay. So that's just saying that arbitrarily, like this should run fine, and then you can just close it, yeah. So now you do MC program, extract, all the way down at the bottom.
Extract MC program. Is that
Yeah, it's gonna go to the desktop. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's it. And so you should just like be able to minimize this and see. I think it'll probably be that one.
the 4x4 rib? And then this just gets put on the flash drive?
Yep.
Okay. And then we just load it and that's it?
Yep.
So is that the conclusion?
Yep. So when you're making like basic stuff like this, if you just open the template, change the pattern to match that,
We can just try
it's
some
just
different
super
stuff.
simple. Yeah.
Okay.
And M1+ is not very hard.
No. Okay, wait, should I conclude?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Hit like, hit subscribe, hit share.
I shall meet death head on. Nigga Kane, you've got to get out of here. Beware foul demons and beasts, there are many foes here. The time has come to cleanse my heart. This monastery reeks with evil and corruption. Oh, I hate staining my hands with the blood of foul sorcerers. Eternal suffering would be too great for you, Diablo. Let the gate